here today just with a quick Sebco maintenance tip. Today we're going to be talking through how to change the filter. So you probably want to be thinking about changing your filter say every 2 or 3 times a year, depending on how much you're using your tank. Really simple, easy process, anybody can do it. We're just using the Pusey water captor spin-on cartridge. So really it's no harder than throwing your hands in here, twisting off the filter element, making sure you don't spill any of the fuel, and disposing of that in a responsible manner. And once you've got your new filter, basically the same in reverse, just popping it in there, nice big easy thread, and spin it back on. Now you want to get it probably just finger tight, nothing harder than that, and that's it, away you go.